We both never forget the feeling of today. And John, Christopher, Antonio, Intal, in front of all the people who are dear to us, I want to say, mahal na mahal kita, and I am so excited to be your wife.
Higher batch si Bianca eh. Minsan nakikita ko siya dun sa parang conyo bench nila. Kasi busit ako sa bench na yun eh. Puro mga social, kaya pag dumadaan ako doon, siya lang napapansin ko. Pero hindi siya mukhang conyo or social. Kaya simple lang. Wow, nakaupo sa relax ang dating. Kaya yun.
Ever since nasa college ako, manonood talaga ako ng UAAP games. And then I remember, nagsasorry ako sa kanya kasi hindi ko siya maalala talaga na pinapanood ko siya. Naalala ko si Doug, naalala ko si Maki, ganyan. Siguro nag-iba din itsura, pero literally nag-sorry ako sa kanya.
Nung naging single ako for a while, niyaya ako ng kapatid ko manood ng game. Tapos yun, nandun siya. Yung parang tinanong ko, alam mo ba kung single si Bianca? Single daw. So, yun, nagtanong-tanong na ako naman.
Sa aking recall, nagkukwentuhan yung dalawang magkapatid, si Mark and JC, about a girl na na-meet nila sa isang game. I think it was in Araneta Coliseum. Naalala ko na pangalan pala ng pinag-uusapan ay isang celebrity. And it so happened si Bianca.
After mga 2 weeks of texting, sabi ko parang mabait naman, I hear mabait din, ganyan. Instead of a date, sinabi ko naman sa kanya, kasi he's from QC. I'm from Parañaque. So instead of a date, sabi ko naman sa kanya, I have errands to run in Alabang Town Center. Kung gusto mo, samahan mo ako. So yun, he drove to the south, tapos nag-meet up kami for lunch. And then, yun na, magkasama kami till the evening na.
Midnight.
Hanggang midnight na kami magkasama on the first. Oo. Nasulit yung tol. The more you get to know the person, the more you realize na swak yung personality niyo, or you like being with the person. And at the time, I saw na how he was to his family, to his friends. I knew na siya yung type ng tao na would be a great boyfriend.
At that time, I got to meet him. We got to meet him. And he doesn't know that he scored 2 points from Nanay Virgie and from me. Magalang, mabait, saka parang makakakonect. Kasi after the dinner, nagpa-manicure kami ni Bianca. Eh si Virgie, uuwi na. Mag-jeepney pag-uwi. Sabi ni JC, pwede ko pong ihatid kay nanay. So, I mean, si JC willing to make hatid our kasambahay. That says a lot about him for me. Ang nagustuhan ko doon, they invite me to go out for dinner, go to mass, kahit sa movie. And every time the couple will invite me, I always say yes, readily. But truth is, I wanted to meet him. I wanted to get to know him. And I got to know him, and I like what I saw. He scored more points.
One time kasi nagsabi si JC, yun, nililigawan nga raw niya si Bianca Gonzalez. Bianca, sabi ko, siya ba yun sa PBB? Siyempre, deep inside, hindi nila alam. Kasi nung nasa PBB pa siya, avid fan niya ako. Kasi iba yung beauty niya eh. Parang sabi ko, ang simple nitong batang to. Pero habang tinititigan mo, gumaganda siya. Tapos yun, sabi niya, nililigawan niya. Okay lang. Una-una, hesitant din akong sa kanya. Kasi paano kaya? Kasi paano makipaghalubilo sa ganyang isang celebrity, di ba? So, doon ko, nung sinabi kong first time na na-meet ko siya, nung dinala naman si JC sa hospital, doon ko nakita kung gaano siya kasimple, kung gaano ka down to earth. Yung araw na yon, na dumiretso kami sa bahay, sabi ko, ay, simple lang din pala siya. Kasi one time, sumama rin siya sa province, meron kasi nag-fishing. Doon ko rin nakita na, sabi ko, hindi pala siya ganun kaarte. Na naglilinis ako ng isda, gusto niya, tutulungan niya ako. Uy, yun, ganun. Sabi ko, ay, okay lang pala. Hindi pala siya ganun. Yung kung anong iisip natin, celebrity, ganun sila. Parang ang hirap abutin. Hindi naman pala. Simple lang.
Tsaga ako nung mag-drive kasi minimum 1 hour and a half to 2 hours. Tapos, yun, sunod-sunod na yung meetups. Tapos, nag-tagay pa tayo ng out of town. Hanggang sa na-develop na. Pero, after a week, naalala ko nung sinabi ko naalala mo ba? After a week. Sinabi ko na yun nga, minaramdaman na ako. Cheesy.
In person, sabi ka ata agad-agad, 1 week?
Sabi na, nagulat siya, pero yun, buti na uwi sa kasalan.
When people kasi see him, they think he's very quiet, very serious, yeah. But meron talaga siyang side na the more I see him with his brothers.
Pero 5 boys kasi, so talagang magulo. And hindi siya sanay.
Sometimes nga, tinatanong niya ako, kaya mo pa? Okay pa? Tutuloy pa natin to. Kasi talagang minsan yung, ang hirap na ulo ko, may kalapikaw na ko, tapos aasarin pa ako. But, alam kong it works in such a way na, yung parang tayo sa mga bata, kapag inaasar natin yung bata, tapos naiinis, mas gusto mong asarin.
Hindi, inaanda ko lang siya, yung patience.
And what happens naman pag ganon, the fight becomes so big. But when you look at it from a third-person point of view, ang liit ng pinagmulan nung away, except parang mainit ulo nyo, nag-clash kayo, gumatong yung isa, pumatol yung isa, so lumaki na lumaki.
Minsan, lang talaga, balance lang, or piliin mo yung, yun nga, you have to choose your battle. Pero may times na mantiga naman. Pero, hindi na talaga, nag-usap.
Nag-iyak ka, nag-usap,
Ikaw lang.
Ako lang pala yung umiyak.
Sabi ni JC noon, Mama, parang ang hirap. Hindi sila magkasundo. Nung first na, tapos, Mama, ayoko na. Ganun. Tapos nung gabi, may na nangyari, mag-uusap kami. Mama, break na kami. Ganyan na, break na kami. Tapos, kinabukasan tawag namin, Mama, kami ulit. Ano ba talaga? Yun, sabi ko, Mama, kasi nakita ko sa kanya, siya gusto niya ipaglaban yung relationship. Give a chance. Sabi niya, give another chance. Yun ang nagustuhan niya rin kay Bianca na. Siguro, doon siya na-challenge din, si JC.
When people would ask me if, do you think you're gonna get married? Do you think he's the guy you're gonna marry? I'd always say, yeah, pwede. You can never really prepare yourself for that moment that you are proposed to. Unless kayo yung type ng couple na pinag-usapan nyo na we want to get married. Kami kasi we never talked about it. General plans lang, like, in the future, we'll live here, we'll go here. No concrete na, when do you want to get married? Walang ganon. So, you'll only really realize your answer during the moment. Ganon pala yung feeling. Tsaka grabe pala yung pakiramdam. Never felt anything like that in my life. Parang, yung sasabog yung dibdib mo, ang saya mo, yun.
Yung family ko, isang band sila pupunta. Humiwalay ako, gusto nilang kasabay. Humiwalay ako kasi gusto kong nag-rehearse sa kotse na sabihin ko sa kanya. Hindi ko talaga kinaya yung rumolo yung chan ko.
Super nakakayak na yung friends, but even more nakakayak was when I saw his brothers and then his parents. For them to be there, I really felt, grabe yung feeling. Tapos later on, nalaman ko na prior to that, he called my family one by one. So, priceless yung feeling nun talaga. Sobra.
Pogi points.
It was so sweet that before he proposed, mga 2 days before before the airport incident, tinawagan niya talaga kami isa-isa. And yun, sinabi niya, just so you know, before Bianca boards the plane, I'm going to propose. Oh my God, 7 na umaga. I was screaming, oh my God, siguro the neighbors were wanting, anong nangyari doon? There, and the same thing with my brother. Talagang he made it a point that pinaalam niya talaga to everyone. This was very sweet of him.
I am very thankful to him for that because at least alam ko importante ako that for something as special as that, at least I know about it before nakita ko sa television. And I'm so happy for them. And I felt that was the direction of the relationship, but I didn't know exactly when. So when he finally told me about it, masaya ako.
For me, it's really fun. Super fun to plan everything. Enjoy na enjoy ako. We had 6 months. We have many... we have a lot of friends and family who go out of their way to help us din. And I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying planning it. And
Gusto ko niya maging wedding planner eh.
Bianca was walking down the aisle. JC leans over to me. He goes, "Ice, she's so beautiful." Ay, oh my God, the tears lang talaga.
Seeing her walking down the aisle, I mean, hindi ko mapigilan eh. It was very emotional for me. After that moment, of course, I know it was just the start of our relationship as a married couple. And yun.
Nung naglalakad ako, hindi naman siya blur, but at the same time, you don't know what you were thinking. Kasi para lang siyang, it's happening. One of the most important tips I got before getting married was enjoy every moment kasi sobrang bilis. And it's true. Like, the next morning, when we both woke up, I realized, buti na lang that we chose to enjoy every moment because it went by so fast. Sobra. In the church, I just remember thinking it was like a dream. Unreal. Super unreal.
We all know that the future is filled with uncertainty. We may not be the same person 10 or 20 years from now. Regardless of how competitive, picky, and irritable you are as a person, I promise to tame my ego and pick my battles with you. You know how much I love you, Bianca. And I may not be able to keep my other promises, but I can keep the promise to do my best to help you to be the best person you could ever be.
I knew you were the one for me when I felt your love. You love me in a way I have always wanted to be loved. I know it's tough to promise, but I assure you I will do my very best to take care of you, our future baby rockets, and baby Biancas.
The vows, first line pa lang, nag-choke na ako. Ganun pala talaga. Ganun. When you see it kasi in TV or in movies, isip mo, oy naman, naiiyak. Pero when you're in the moment, makayak pala talaga when you say your vows. So,
Parang super glowy. I mean, I grew up with her. I shared a room with her for 27 years before I left. But I've never seen her smile like that. I've never seen her glow like that. Yung parang the smile is not just on the face. Yung parang her whole being is smiling. And then, yeah, you can just tell how happy JC makes her.
And I see him, he takes care of Bianca. And masaya si Bianca. There's a certain smile. And as kahit kaninong mother, when you see your daughter happy, happy ka na rin.
we chose to enjoy every moment because it went by so fast. Sobra. In the church, I just remember thinking it was like a dream. I mean, the setup. We were so lucky to have the El Nido staff and Rob Blanca Flores set it up na parang, I told him na, parang Korean novela. With the walang tree doon sa chapel. Nagpalagay siya ng puno, pinalagyan niya ng mga twigs, nilagyan niya ng flowers, nilagyan niya ng ang galing. So it was really like a dream. Unreal. Super unreal.
Day after ng wedding, doon kami nag-land sa bahay. Na-sense namin yung feeling of belongingness with each other. Na, iba yung feeling kasi she will be our newest member of the Intel clan. She will be an elder sister or a big sister to our 4 boys, the other brothers of JC, and a big sister to her little sister, which is the Divina Angelica.
Malaki ang pagkakaiba. Kasi, ito pa kasi dati tita ang tawag ni Bianca, tita ni Bianca ha. Sa December 4, right after ng wedding, wala nang tita. Yan, Mama Ning na yung tawag niya sa akin.
Siyempre, masarap gumising kasi pagising mo. Bukas na mata mo. Yun.
Yeah.
Yun.
Basta the feeling is like, it's really wonderful. I mean, wow, as in, parang pagising mo, thank you Lord, nagising mo today. And so, it's dramatic, but of course we have to like we should never forget this day. I mean, we're just blessed.
As of now, ang hirap, parang we're still in the clouds kasi kanina lang namin nakita first time yung video ni Jason and montage ni Pat nung Palawan. And we were watching it, parang, grabe, parang panaginip, parang hindi nangyari, parang movie, gano'n. Parang outside point of view kami, it's as if nawala kami doon when we watch it. So, hindi pa nagsisink in.